Hey, what's up guys, y bienvenidos a mi canal. Today I have part 2 of the Tory Burch haul I did from my previous video. So here is the second bag I purchased. I don't know what it is. So pretty. This beautiful crossbody bag. And the exact name of this one, let me zoom it out. There you go. The exact name of this one is the Fleming Distressed Camera Bag. I have a thing for the Fleming line. This is third Fleming bag I add from third. This is a third Fleming bag I add from Tory Burch. This bag retails for $428. I picked up mine for less than that. And I also had seen it at Bloomingdale's for even cheaper than Tory Burch. Now here is this beautiful camera bag. Here's the side. And this one has silver hardware. And the back of this, I love that it has a magnetic closure. You see that? Beautiful. Now, I'm not sure if the iPhone will fit in the back of this. Let's see. Especially because I have a pop socket on. Let's see. The struggle. Okay, there we go. No, I'm wrong. It does fit perfectly in there. Take that out. Oh, there's a small little scratch right here, but I mean that's fine. Maybe I could smooth that out with my finger and it'll come out. Sometimes that works, but it's fine. Can't really tell. And wow, look at this chain. It's very different from other chains I've seen. This one's just more of a chunky, large chain opposed to a smaller one. And it only has it maybe like 5-6 inches in, and then leather strap all the way across. And this one is adjustable. Then this one as well has Tory Burch. And then you just pull it out. These are a little pain in the butt to adjust. I will say that. There we go. I will put mine in the last one since it is a short strap. There we go. At least you know once it's in there, it ain't going nowhere. So that's nice. Here is the beautiful tassel. You know, I think most Flemings have a tassel. And it's also removable. Here's the clasp. We just take it out and boom, it's gone. But I will not be doing that. That's beautiful. Here's the leather pull. Nice zipper. An embossed T, their logo. I love how that looks. I love the quilting on it. This chevron quilting. Very nice. Now let's get into the inside. Oh, this one does have dust bag. Like I said on my previous bag that I just purchased as well. The smaller clutch did not have a dust bag. And this one does. I'm assuming the smaller ones don't come with a dust bag, which is a shame. It should. You want to take care of it as well. But here's the dust bag. Now inside, pull this out. Okay, inside here we have 2 slip pockets. One back here and another one right here. It's kind of hard to pick that up. It has 2 slip pockets on this side and a zippered compartment on this side. And pretty small zipper compartment. Doesn't open all the way up, just from here to here. And the phone, of course, will fit in there nicely. Phone. Say you have a little makeup bag. What else could I throw in here? Some lip glosses, compact mirror, I mean even sunglasses, even a whole, even some sunglasses fit in here. And that'll zip up like that. So it could hold a whole lot, which is perfect, exactly what I was looking for. A casual camera bag, or it could also be worn for a nice night out. Very versatile. It could be casually worn, or you could dress it up. I really do love Tory Burch. Their items are great quality at a good price point. I do own several Tory Burch items, and they never disappoint. I mean, it is on a higher price point than your average contemporary designers like Michael Kors, Coach, Rebecca Minkoff, and all them. They're usually a little bit more affordable than Tory Burch. I mean, the quality of Tory Burch is really nice. So that's it for this little quick video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.